night. I made a mess up.
Mr. Haik, if you had one thing to say to Houston for all your years being here, what would you tell them?
I would say thanks to all the fans for supporting us. It was great. Which hadn't been hurt all the time, but besides that, it was great.
Can you tell us what years you played
Yes.
and your jersey number?
It'd be 68 through 72. My jersey number was number 86.
What was it like being one of the first professional football players to play in the Houston Astrodome?
Well, it was interesting. I had played in it before when I was at Ole Miss. We played the Cougars, Houston Cougars, in the dome. And it was terrible. They were trying to grow grass and it didn't work. So when I came back out, when I was a rookie with the Oilers, we played on the field that they had put in new turf. So that's the first time. That was the first indoor stadium in the world for football. And I caught the first NFL indoor touchdown.
The first NFL indoor touchdown was caught by Mr. Mac Haik.
And they didn't pay me anything for that.
They should have.
That was
Wow.
in the first game. We played the Redskins.
That's amazing. I didn't know
I was
that.
happy to be there at the time.
Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah, glad to do it.
Thank you for doing this, Mr. Haik.
Thank you for taking all your time. We appreciate it.
No, we appreciate you.